Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my top 5 time-saving cleaning hacks, and the reason why I'm only doing 5 is because these are my top 5 that I use consistently on a daily basis. So I want to share them with you. If you want to see more cleaning videos or like cleaning hack videos or organizational hack videos, let me know in the comments below and I'd love to make you some more. So first off, I'm going to start with number 1, Grove Collaborative, hands down. Grove Collaborative is a website, it's a subscription service where you get products delivered to your door every single month, and you don't have to get the same products. There's like a very low product minimum price, and they don't only have cleaning products, they have like all household products. I've gotten the boys' toothbrushes, non-toxic toothpaste from there. They have storage containers, they have paper products, they literally have everything. So you can totally use it every month, and why I say that's a hack is because they always have great deals going on. Right now I have a campaign that's going on. It's Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, Mrs. Meyer's lotion, dish soap, as well as a little scrubber, and they are their seasonal scents, so it's like a limited time scent that you can't find in stores. That always happens to me, but that's another great thing about Grove. They always have products on their site first before any other stores do, like Target for example. But the reason why it's like a hack for me is because they remind you every month, like when your order is coming up. So monthly, you always have household items that you need, and it just keeps me on top of my game and pretty much just like staying up to date with cleaning things. And a lot of times, new cleaning products like give me that encouragement to clean because I'm excited to use them. So again, check the link below in the description box so you can get all of your free Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products. Number 2 is I like to vacuum the scent beads. You can use Downy Unstoppables, you can use Bounce, any kind of scent beads. I like to vacuum them because when you vacuum them and they roll around in your vacuum, it makes a very like strong, fresh aroma, just like a laundry would. And this helps because I have dogs and I have kids and I have crumbs and the vacuum stinks, and I don't know if that's just me, but my vacuum will start to stink, and vacuuming up the beads just really freshens it up and takes 2 seconds. Number 3, this is like not a lot of people do laundry the way that I do it, but it's doing loads by person. So a lot of times I'll combine mine and Chris's clothes, but sometimes he has more clothes than I do since he has like different clothing for work than he does for home, and I love organizing them by doing them by person because for example, the boys, they use Dreft on their clothes, Chris and I use Persil on our clothes, and when you are folding and everything, it just makes it so much easier to have them separated. I got these little labels at Target. I will try to find them and link them below, but if you're not into doing loads by person, this just helps organize your laundry. You can write on it, for example, darks, lights, towels, however you want to do it, but it's just nice to already pre-sort your laundry on a daily basis. And number 4 is my boys get their sneakers so dirty that I have to constantly be cleaning them, and the fastest way that I found to clean them instead of throwing them in the washer every single time is just simply using a dry eraser. You can find dry erasers anywhere, even at Dollar Tree. They're the knockoff brand, but they work just as good. And last but not least is how I clean my microwave, and all I do is I use 2 cups of water, a few drops of my Young Living lemon essential oils, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And then you microwave it on high for 5 minutes, and just be really careful when you're taking it out. I use oven mitts, but you want to make sure that the water is not boiling or anything like that. One website that I got this recipe from said to put a wooden toothpick in the bowl so that it doesn't boil over. I, however, don't have wooden toothpicks, so I just waited a second before I took it out, made sure it wasn't boiling, and again, I used mitts. So I just microwave that for 5 minutes, and then I go ahead and take the tray out, scrub that. The Grove scrubber that goes with the May campaign actually has like a sharp part on the end that you can turn it over and actually scrape things off, and it is amazing. So I definitely recommend that brush, and this is the fastest way that I found to clean my microwave because that solution just really loosens everything up, like all of the caked on things in there. top 5 cleaning hacks. Make sure you check out my Grove Collaborative link below to get your free Mrs. Meyer's products as well as your free scrubber. And if you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. I do cleaning videos, cooking videos, lifestyle vlogs. I am currently 25 weeks pregnant with my first baby girl, and I also have 2 little boys that are 1 and 2 years old. So yes, I'm crazy. Hands are full, but my heart is fuller. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at t.beaston, and we'd love for you to become part of the Beaston family.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize